Today, all we're going to do for our breathing exercise is inhale and exhale through your nose with a pattern of 10 sniffs inward on the inhale and 10 puffs outward on the exhale. So go ahead and begin and just get a feeling for that. If you don't do 10 right at the start, that's fine. Just get a feeling for it and end up with 10 sniffs inward on the inhale and 10 puffs outward on the exhale. Just very slowly through your nose. Sniffs in through your nose, and then on the exhale, 10 puffs out. No mantra is needed. You could say Sat Nam 5 times on the inhale and 5 times on the exhale mentally if you like, but it's not required. Halfway done. One more minute. Okay, go ahead and inhale and suspend your breath. And exhale. Relax and breathe slowly.